I understand the frustration. I have felt it. Many of these AI tools come with strict rules and often have paywalls that can catch you off guard. It can feel like you're at a crossroads, and I completely get that. That's why I'm excited to share 3 free and unlimited AI video and image generators with you today. Please watch the video until the end for 2 bonus free tools that I'll be disclosing. Additionally, I have a PDF document with the prompts I'll be using throughout this video. If you'd like to receive the PDF, just comment your request in the comment section and you'll get it for free. One more favor, I'd appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to the channel. Remember, Anya's got you covered. Okay guys, so this is the first AI tool we are going to be working on today, and this is Quan 2.6. I'm sure many of you will be very familiar with this free AI video and image generator. These are some of the community models. It's very amazing, and I think you should explore it even more, guys. I'm going to drop a link to the Generative AI tool in the comments section, so make sure to watch this video to the end to get the other link to the tool. So before we explore this tool, I'm going to log into my account over here. So now, guys, after I have logged in over here, it's time for us to explore more of this Quan 2.6 and what this text-to-video AI can actually do. Over here at the bottom, you can see where it allows you to input your first frame and your last frame. You can also add your sound if you wish. And one thing with this platform is that every single day they give you free credits. Isn't that amazing? And you can also choose to add more credits by yourself. So now, from the intro, I told you all that I got a bunch of scripts and AI prompts. And like I said, if you want it, just comment scripts in the comment section and I'll send it over to you. So we're going to copy the first prompt over here. Now we're going to paste that prompt we copied into our text box, and we're going to paste it over here, which is going to make the work very easy for us. Over here, you can choose to add your first frame or your second frame. Now, after placing your prompts over here, you're going to choose an AI character over here. Isn't that amazing? Quan 2.6 allows you to choose already made presets of a character that you want, and I am going to choose Ewan, and I'm going to put the phone back. Now over here, you can choose the settings of the video. For the resolution, I'm going to go with 720p at 16:9. Now, since this is YouTube, I'm going to ask it to generate with our credits. So now, after you've added your prompt, you can choose to add the first frame or your last frame, but I choose to. So let's go ahead with this model of Quan 2.6 to actually see what it can actually achieve. You can also choose to enhance your prompt if you wish, and just like that, it's already enhancing our prompts, and you use it. Then click on Generate. Already, it starts generating our prompts. That was so fast, guys. It is done. Now let us play the video.
We lost 3K cables.
Line gamma!
One line of code could reroute millions.
That was very amazing, as you have seen. This is very awesome. This tool is very fast. Quan 2.6 is another level, and if you want what you just watched, you can always choose to comment script, and I'm going to give you the script to this video and also the link to the tool. These are some of the tests I also did with it. These are some of the prompts that it has executed for me, and one great thing about this tool is the realism and the sharpness of the tool. So now let us go to tool number 2. Okay guys, on the home screen of your browser, type in VHEER AI. So this is what you're going to see, and we are going to click on the link to take us to the website. Okay guys, after logging into your account, now we are going to try one of the featured tools of this app. So I'm going to use the AI text to image generator. It then opens to this interface over here, and this is where we are going to create our AI image. Remember I said that I had some prompts I wanted to give out, so remember to comment that you need the prompt in the comment section, and I'll send it over to you. So I'm going to copy the second prompt and come over here, then paste it. You can also choose to enhance the prompt. After that is done, you come over here and choose the model you want. But we're going to stick with quality. If you want to use the Pro and the Max models, you have to go premium. But the point of this whole video is for free AI tools, and we're going to click on this over here to choose the aspect ratio you want. Since this is YouTube, I'm going to go with 16:9. Then I'm going to click Generate. Okay guys, the image is done generating, and as you can see, it is very, very amazing and nice. Look at it very well. You can see the detail that this AI tool put into it, and the best part is that it is free. Now we're going to try another prompt with this tool just for the fun of it. Now we're going to copy the third prompt and paste it into our prompt box to generate. As usual, we're going to enhance the prompt again, and then we click on generate. And once again, it is done generating, guys. One thing about this tool is that the speed of generation is very, very fast and very, very quick. So you're going to get your image as quickly as possible. We could also try out the image to video over here, try out the context editor, and there is so much more you could achieve with this tool that is yet to be discovered, guys. Just try to explore this tool in the comment section. Do as much as you can, create as much as you can, create your videos over here, add your images and the prompts that you need, and that will go very, very well for you. So, let us try to generate one image. So now we are going to generate it. Add our prompt, a simple prompt. You could also add the camera position angle. So here it is, guys, the video is done generating, and as you can see, this tool did its best and it is free and unlimited. You can generate as much as you want, which I think is very amazing. Many other tools just keep asking you to buy credits, but this tool doesn't do that. It gives you free and unlimited AI video generation. Okay guys, this is the third tool that we are going to be talking about today, and this is called Quan 3.5, which is almost similar to the first tool I showed you, which is 2.6. So first of all, you're going to log in over here. So after logging in, this is the interface of Quan 3.5, and this is where you're going to be creating all you want. So now I'm going to copy another prompt from my script that has already been made. After I copy the prompt, I'm going to paste it over here, then click on this plus button over here and select Create Video. You can also choose the aspect ratio, and I'm just going to leave it at the default. Now you're going to send it, and it's going to prepare our video. Okay guys, the video is done generating. Now let us play it.
System Alpha applies deductive rigor. Beta favors metaphorical abstraction.
So guys, after watching that, you can see that this thing is very amazing and it is now free and unlimited. So now we are going to try another prompt. After copying the prompt from the generated script that I'm going to be giving out for free, come over here and paste the prompt you want to work on. Then you can also create images with this tool. So first of all, let's create images, then click enter. It is already generating. This tool is very fast, guys, and it's very amazing. So guys, it's done generating, and this is the image. So from here, you can straight up create your video using this image immediately. Then put your prompts in the prompts box and ask it to create a video for you. It's very amazing, isn't it? And you can also see, I really don't know what to generate last, so I'm going to leave it in your hands. I promised in the beginning that I would also give 2 bonus free things, and this is the first one, which is an AI GPT. This GPT allows you to do a lot. You can get AI video ideas over here, get your transcribers, your summarizers, voices, and images. You can even chat and write PowerPoint, PDF, and Word documents inside here. You can create all of them inside this one tool. And in this, we have different models of Nano Banana, the Pro version, and Nano Banana 2. This is the newest model. You can ask it to create anything you want using any of the models. You can use the text to image or the image to image. But now I'm going to describe it and add my prompt in the prompt box over here. Then change the aspect ratio and give the resolution that I want, and then I will click on it. After clicking generate, wait a little while, and this is what we were able to generate. This is very awesome, guys, and it's very cool. Going back to the page, this tool also has Banana Pro slides, where students who are doing practice in school can generate PowerPoint templates over here. You can use it to create slides and other PowerPoints too. You can also convert your PDF into PowerPoint over here. This tool is an all-in-one powerhouse, and this is very amazing. I'm going to leave it for you to test out. Remember that second bonus unlimited tool I'm going to be giving? Anybody who wants free access to this tool can hit me up in the comment section and make sure you are subscribed. Then I'm going to give you a link that gives you free access to this. It's very easy and simple. You can just add your prompt in the prompt box over here. After adding your prompt, you can change the aspect ratio and the seed. The seed means consistency, so if you lock it, you go to generate it in the same precise consistency and reference. So this is very good for making videos, images, and anything you need. And over here at the top, you can see where they say that they're going to move everything inside here into flow. So guys, watch out for that. In this, you can create as much as you want. This is very amazing, and I promise you guys there are more things that you can try out by yourself. If you need any of these videos, just comment and I'm going to send them to you. Try them all out. They are very amazing. Watch out. I am going to be making more videos on some of these tools